video is going to be titled, "There is no shortcuts to success." I say that because usually younger people, you know, just getting out in the world or working, they want to do better for themselves, right? But the younger mentality is shortcuts, you know, get rich quick kind of stuff. There is no shortcuts to success. If you happen to get whatever you're striving for by taking a shortcut, that's not success. That's luck. Luck's not success. Say you got what you're striving for by taking a shortcut, got lucky, and that were to fall apart, just all crumble apart. You'd have to repeat that. And lightning rarely strikes somebody twice. If it does once, and if it does once, and that's a metaphor, you got lucky. So once you get that out of your mind, that shortcut, and get to just taking those necessary steps to get to where you're going, just like if you're walking upstairs, you need to get to the top of wherever you're going, you need to take that first step, then you take the second step, third step, until you make it to the top. You're not gonna start from the bottom, take a big leap and make it to the top. See, so it's the same way with anything, really. In business, getting your go ahead and build the foundation for your business will create success. So remember that, guys. I know, because I've been there. You know, I lived that life of trying to take shortcuts. You know, there's I mean, a lot of people locked up nowadays just got caught up trying to make a shortcut. You know, their intention wasn't to do bad. They just wanted to change their situation the quickest way possible, and the only way they knew how. Didn't spend the time to educate themselves and find out, you know what I found out in my later years. You know what? I can do this. All the resources are out there. I just didn't know how to utilize them. I didn't know where to go, where to get the information. Well, now we got the information all in the palm of your hands. We look at it every day. Either people are looking at their phones for social media, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Wasting time. And I don't like Facebook. I don't like the social media deal. I do like YouTube, of course, because YouTube is a platform where you can learn. If it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be driving this van right here, heading out to my first job of 2 today, which will be a total of $620. So it'll take me about 4 hours, and one of those hours are gonna be strictly driving, because I got to go out a little out of the area I usually work. So if it wasn't for YouTube, if it wasn't for learning, if it wasn't for me not focusing on what people are eating for Thanksgiving on Facebook and their selfies and reading what everybody's thinking at any moment of the day, which really just brought me down. You'd be surprised, guys, if you put down that phone when it comes to that stuff, how more positive and how much more you're gonna get done in life, because you're gonna fill that time up with something else. And if you're an entrepreneur type of mind, you're gonna get more done. So there's no shortcuts to success, guys. And that's the point I wanted to make in this video. I got gotta go get some masks before I head out to the job, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you can relate, if it's something you learn later in your life like myself. But check it out, guys, if you're younger, intelligent people learn off other people. They don't learn off their mistakes. They learn off other people. Me, I learned off my mistakes, unfortunately. But I did learn. Because stupid people don't learn. They just keep doing the same thing over and over and over, expecting the same results. So I got a playlist. It's called Starting Your Own Business, I think. And it's all the fundamentals to starting your own business and getting established. What you need to do to establish your carpet cleaning business or any service business. All right. So thanks for watching. Like I said, please like, subscribe, comment. Please comment, share. I'm trying to get up to 2,000 really quick here. And that rhyme. Anyway, see you in the next video.